Canva's introduced a neat little feature that is a bit of a time saver, and that is the ability to delete multiple designs at one time. So I'm going to jump on over here to all your designs. And in the past, if you wanted to delete a design, you would have to individually go to them, click on the three dots, and move it to trash. But as you might have noticed when I just rolled over those images, there's now a little box that appears here when you are on the All Your Designs page layout. If you click all of those off at one time, you'll notice now here it says 3 selected, and you can now delete them in one fell swoop. So if you do have a lot of items that you need to delete from your All Your Designs page, that's going to be a big time saver. Now I have tested this with images and with designs within the folders. So let's just jump quickly into another folder so I can show you this. Here we go. So there's 2 designs here. You'll notice when I hover over them, you don't have that box to check off in order to remove them all at one time. Let's go to show all as well. Same thing. If you are looking at your designs within a folder, that feature does not seem to be available. It does only seem to be available on the All Your Designs page. I am personally waiting and hoping that they will refine that so that you can do it from within folders as well. And if that happens, I will definitely highlight that for you. But in the meantime, if you do have a bunch of old designs, let's say you've been using Canva for some time and you have a whole lot of old designs further down the page that you want to get rid of, you no longer have to do it on an individual basis. You can check a bunch of them off and delete them at one time.